Hello, this is our thermal vacuum chamber. We do deep space exploration testing or in-orbit satellite testing with this chamber, and it can go to high vac, so it can reach about 10 to the minus 7 to 10 to the minus 10 torque, which is really low pressure. And we can do a lot of thermal testing in this chamber. We can range from minus 200 degrees Celsius up to 280 degrees Celsius. And we work mainly with conduction. So if you look in the chamber, we have a thermal platen. And this thermal platen has electric heating elements that can create heat for our parts to go to the hot sections of our thermal testing. And it also has copper tubing that goes inside the platen, and we run liquid nitrogen through it to go to the cold section of our thermal testing. And we can make custom feed-throughs like these. These are for thermocouples. And we also have RF cables, and we can make thermal testing, and we can also do fiber optic feed-throughs, pressure feed-throughs. We can make any type of feed-through that you need for your testing needs. And yeah, we can put basically anything in that chamber that's going to go out to space or just really high in the atmosphere. So these are a few of the custom feed-throughs we've made in the past. This one right here, for example, is for a hydraulic line. So a valve that was inside the chamber had to be pressurized to a certain pressure. So we ran these lines and we simply welded the tubes through the feed-through, and we were able to get them in the chamber and get the part pressurized at vacuum. This one, for example, is a rotary feed-through. So because it is a vacuum sealed chamber, it's kind of hard to achieve the rotary motion. So whenever this spins in this manner, this will spin at 180 degrees. So that one was a tricky one. Then we have this one. This is just a 9-pin connector, and we just clamp it here with an O-ring, and we're able to achieve vacuum. And this last one is the ones that you see in the chamber. It's just an NPT threaded tubing, and we use the cables to either run some voltage to our parts or measure resistance across a part, or several different applications.